I recently shared my Ayurvedic morning routine and I talked about the benefits of drinking something warm first thing in the morning. In Ayurveda, digestion is believed to be the cornerstone of health and well-being because it's what turns the food we eat into nutrients that fuel our entire body. A warm drink every morning can help the body detox, stimulate the digestive system, and boost our metabolism. So in this video, I'm going to share some of my favorite warm drinks for healthy digestion. I'm starting off with one of my go-to drinks, especially when I know I've overindulged. The star ingredient is ginger, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's known to stimulate digestion and increase the body's ability to empty food from the stomach more quickly, so it can help relieve things like bloating and indigestion. I like to peel and grate about a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger and add this into a small saucepan. I pour boiling water over it and let the ginger steep for about 20 minutes while I complete some of my other morning tasks. After 20 minutes, I strain the tea and squeeze the juice of half of a lemon, which is also known to help detoxify the body. I mix it up and this tea is ready to drink. Apple cider vinegar is commonly used for weight management and healthy digestion. It contains prebiotic properties, which can improve gut health and immunity. But you want to make sure you use raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother to get the most benefits. This is highly acidic, so I only use a very small amount and always dilute it to protect my tooth enamel and throat area. I make a very simple drink by adding 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to a cup of hot water and a little bit of lemon juice. The taste of apple cider vinegar can take some getting used to, so feel free to add a little bit of honey or stevia to make it easier to drink. Turmeric is a traditional spice that's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. From cleansing and detoxing to boosting the immune system and improving digestion, its health benefits are endless. It does have a strong, bitter taste, so if you're not used to it, I do recommend starting with a small amount. I combine a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric with the juice of half of a lemon and a pinch of black pepper, which helps the body absorb the turmeric better, and then I pour hot water. And I'm not going to lie, turmeric isn't my favorite taste. I drink it for the benefits, not for the flavor, but if you're having a really hard time, you can try sweetening it with a little bit of honey or maple syrup if you'd like. One of my all-time favorite teas to make is cinnamon ginger tea, especially during the fall and winter time. Cinnamon contains anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. It's also known to slow the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, keeping sugar levels balanced. I like to combine this with the amazing health benefits of ginger, which I mentioned earlier. So I start by heating a pot of water, and once the water starts boiling, I add 1 cinnamon stick and fresh ginger root peeled and sliced. I let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I pour this into my cup, and I also like to add fresh lemon juice. I always include lemon because it's a great way to stimulate digestion and help the body detox. Because of its immune boosting properties, this is also a tea I like to make anytime I'm feeling under the weather. It's so healing and delicious. The body's intelligence never ceases to amaze me. It has the innate capacity to do amazing things for us, but it's up to us to make healthy choices that will help it work at its optimal level. So I hope this video inspires you to do that. For more healthy morning habits, I recommend watching my Ayurvedic morning routine where I share simple things you can do every morning to improve your health. So I'll have that video linked on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.